Welcome to NextGen Mansions, where the future of luxury isn't just imagined, it's brought to life. In today's epic visual journey, we witness a clash between two of the richest minds on Earth, Bernard Arnault, the quiet force behind a global empire of elegance, and Elon Musk, the visionary rewriting humanity's trajectory. We're not comparing bank accounts or business strategies. We're diving into the world of futuristic mansions, specifically what their homes might look like in 2050, a time when homes aren't just places to live, but intelligent environments that adapt, learn, and elevate the way we exist. One is rooted in timeless luxury redefined for the future. The other, a fully immersive tech habitat for a man who dreams beyond Earth. Let's begin. Bernard Arnault's 2050 mansion is a work of modern elegance, sculpted with restraint and grace. The exterior architecture is balanced and harmonious, a palace for the future, blending Roman influence with smart, seamless geometry. Its curved white structures are trimmed in gold, while the rooftop features deep royal blue tiles that shimmer under the afternoon sun. Everything feels intentional, beautiful, quietly powerful. His home doesn't shout, it whispers confidence through pure form. And within that form lies the soul of traditional luxury, elevated with futuristic precision. This is where architecture becomes identity, sculpted space that communicates heritage, but wrapped in a glowing skin of tomorrow. Step inside, and the interiors breathe with sophistication. Bernard's taste favors timeless materials, marble, velvet, polished crystal, but nothing is traditional anymore. The luxury here is layered. Furniture floats, walls curve. Light doesn't just illuminate, it follows you, wraps around you. Ambient systems shift hues with mood and time. The colors stay loyal to white and royal blue, a palette that projects calm control. You don't see technology, but you feel it everywhere. Temperature, light, scent, all perfectly tuned without a word spoken. The entire mansion operates like a silent orchestra, with AI as the invisible conductor. Yet through it all, the space remains human, warm, peaceful, rooted in legacy but updated for the elite of the next generation. What truly defines Bernard's mansion are its dreamlike amenities. Not flashy, but refined. The dining area is like a floating gala. The meeting space feels more like a European salon than a boardroom, but fully equipped with holograms, AI, and seamless integration. In every room, details matter. From the curve of a chair to the glow of a fiber-lit ceiling, this is the future of luxury that knows where it came from. Understated power, wrapped in elegance. A mansion that feels like it was always meant to exist, just not until 2050. Now, shift scenes. Elon Musk's 2050 mansion is the opposite side of the future. Raw innovation sculpted into a living organism. Located deep in a bustling smart city, surrounded by flying cars, solar farms, and hyperloop rails, Musk's home looks like it landed from orbit. It's not built with bricks. It's engineered from intelligent materials, solar reactive glass, adaptive titanium, and programmable graphene. The outer shape curves like a spacecraft, aerodynamic, asymmetrical, and strangely organic. Panels shift with the sun's position. The entire shell breathes, expands, and harvests energy like a living thing. If Bernard's mansion is the palace of a king, Elon's is the cockpit of a civilization. Inside, the contrast becomes even more dramatic. Musk's interiors are bold, stripped down, and sharply intelligent. There's no ornament, only function elevated to art. Spaces are open and fluid, controlled by central AI systems that respond to gestures, eye movement, and voice. Furniture reconfigures itself based on posture and task. Lighting is dynamic, synced with circadian rhythms and space-time references. Walls are not static surfaces, they are live displays, constantly shifting between planetary data, Mars imagery, or peaceful digital art. This mansion doesn't just serve its owner. It knows him, learns him, evolves with him. Luxury here is no longer about texture and tone. It's about capability and awareness. The technology inside is the kind that fades into the environment, creating a seamless feedback loop between man and machine. Elon's amenities feel like portals: a holographic meeting zone that doubles as a command center, an energy-positive kitchen that prepares meals based on your current vitamin levels, and a sleep chamber that tracks brainwaves to create the perfect rest sequence. Every surface does something. Every object has a purpose beyond aesthetics.